Choosing the right road bike tire can make a huge difference in speed, comfort, and overall riding performance. A poor quality tire can slow you down, reduce grip, and increase the risk of punctures during long rides. That's why selecting a reliable road bike tire is essential for both casual cyclists and competitive riders. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best road bike tires of 2026. These tires offer excellent grip, durability, puncture protection, and rolling efficiency. We researched the web and real user reviews to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more cycling reviews. Number 5. INNOVA Road Bike Tire 700C Anti-Puncture Tire. The INNOVA Road Bike Tire 700C is a budget-friendly option designed for riders who need dependable performance and durability. Its wear-resistant rubber compound helps extend tire life while maintaining reliable grip on paved roads. The anti-puncture layer provides added protection against sharp debris, reducing unexpected flats during daily commutes or fitness rides. Lightweight construction helps improve efficiency and acceleration, while the tread design offers stable handling in different riding conditions. Available in popular road bike sizes, this tire delivers a solid balance of value, comfort, and long-lasting performance. Number 4. Goodyear Eagle F1 Bicycle Tire. The Goodyear Eagle F1 is built for cyclists seeking speed, control, and premium road performance. Available in 700 by 25C and 700 by 28C sizes, this foldable tire combines lightweight construction with excellent puncture protection. Its advanced rubber compound delivers strong cornering grip and confident handling on both smooth pavement and mixed road surfaces. The flexible casing improves ride comfort while maintaining low rolling resistance for greater efficiency. Whether you're training, commuting, or participating in long-distance rides, the Eagle F1 offers the responsiveness and reliability expected from a high-performance road cycling tire. Number 3. Continental Ultrasport 3, Grand Sport Race, and GP5000. Continental is one of the most respected names in cycling, and the Ultrasport 3, Grand Sport Race, and GP5000 continue that tradition. Available in multiple widths, including 23C, 25C, and 28C, these foldable clincher tires provide outstanding grip, durability, and rolling efficiency. The GP5000 is especially popular among performance-focused riders, thanks to its exceptional speed and puncture resistance. Advanced tread technology improves traction in both dry and wet conditions, while the flexible casing enhances comfort. These tires are ideal for training, racing, and long-distance road advance. Number 2. KENDA KRITERIUM K1018 Road Bike Tire. The KENDA KRITERIUM K1018 is a reliable road bike tire designed for riders who want dependable performance without spending a fortune. Offered in 700 by 23C and 700 by 25C sizes, it features a folded design that makes installation and transport convenient. The 60 TPI casing provides a good balance between comfort, durability, and road feel. Its tread pattern delivers stable grip and predictable handling during everyday riding and training sessions. Lightweight construction helps maintain efficient rolling performance, while the durable rubber compound contributes to longer service life and dependable mileage. Number 1. MAXXIS High Road Folding Tire. The MAXXIS High Road earns the top spot thanks to its impressive combination of speed, grip, comfort, and puncture protection. Available in multiple sizes, including 700 by 23C, 25C, 28C, and 32C, it suits a wide range of road cycling needs. The advanced casing construction reduces rolling resistance while maintaining excellent road feel and cornering confidence. Its anti-puncture technology helps minimize flats, making it ideal for long rides and challenging routes. Whether you're racing, training, or commuting, this premium folding tire delivers outstanding performance, durability, and rider confidence on every journey.
If you want faster rides, better grip, and improved puncture protection, upgrading your road bike tires is one of the best investments you can make. These 5 options offer excellent performance across different budgets and riding styles. Whether you're training, racing, or commuting, there's a tire here for you. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.